Go.
Desk.
Bag,
Purse. Shopping.
House,
grocery
box,
bag.
Cube.
Rubik's
Cube.
Lunch bag, lunchbox.
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice.
Lunchbox!
Wow.
It's gonna be the lunch part. But I didn't get there. What the heck? That's not karate. Boom. I was going Karate Kid.
Your hands.
Rain shower. Rain shower.
Bed.
Shower,
Curtain.
shower,
Shower curtain.
Tub, shower, curtain,
Beer.
shower,
Shower beer.
Shower beer.
Rain
Pint
beer.
beer. Door
Scale
beer. Window beer.
summer beer,
Scale. Wave.
Pillow beer.
Wave
Sit beer.
Sip. Scale. Heavy beer.
Scout.
Light beer.
Yes.
Nice. We can finally move from our alt play. Where's the die?
No, it's that next turn.
Bummer.
Oh, right.
This is good. I'm glad it was a good game.
can we like brainstorm for a minute again?
I think I got it.
I don't.
Ready? Ready?
Don't rush her.
Set. Go.
Person. Puppy.
Mouse.
Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse Club.
Mouse House. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Club. And the clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
Mickey Mouse Disney World.
We already said that. Yeah.
Did you Mickey Mouse
Fingertip.
Fingernail.
Fingernail. Heart.
Bowling.
Golf.
Throw. Golf. Toss. Softball.
too? Okay, new one.
Open. Grab.
Mailbox.
Pizza oven. Mailbox.
Hair.
Necklace.
Necklace.
Chain.
Necklace. Chain.
Baby.
Baby.
That's
Bib.
Sweatshirt. Cozy.
Turtleneck.
Oh, again.
Cardigan.
Window. Ski.
Jail. Prison.
Cell. Locked in a cell.
Cage.
Oh, dang it.
Oh. Argument.
Arguing. It fell. Aim. Aim. Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
And what's cast?
Is my team ready?
So you just
Yes.
have to get 3 points.
Wait, Blake, you ready?
I'm still ready. Or more like 4.
Foot. Sole.
Fishing, spinning.
Oh,
jackpot. Oh, I was
Oh, nice.
Hug.
Cold.
Cuddle. Hold hands.
Friends.
Freeze. Warm.
Friends.
Oh.
Fish.
Fish. Fish hole. Fish tank. Aquarium. Yeah.
Fist
punch. Grab.
Throw. Toss.
Frizzy. Disc.
Flick.
Oops.
Rock. Shake.
It's undress. Shit naked. Naked.
Hey, yo.
Molar.
Cat
Canine.
cavity. Tooth. Toothache.
Crown. Dentist.
Dentist. Woo!
That's like a Vikings fish.
Fish remind me of like softball and like baseball, like gear. Like all the color combos.
They got hit tracks. I wish we had hit tracks.
I'm good.
Really? You know you do. Cool, you should.
Yeah, Cole, you should. We have time.
Maybe.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, that's awesome.
You want to try?
Whoa. Ooh, you have a fight. That is terrible. Hit a dinger.
Boo.
There you go. Yeah. Fireworks. Yeah.
Just bump up the beat.
Wow.
We need a home run here.
Yeah. Let's go. Get me in there.
Oh. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. It's not right on. Just wait, give me a sec.
Apparently,
There you go.
Hallie, just put it in now.
No, because then I won't be able to get in the car before the thing closes.
See, it's like spitting it out. Take the ticket.
Yeah, in the right.
It's upside down.
It has an arrow going that way. Correct.
Try it again.
Is the right side up?
Guys, we're locked in here for the night.
Oh, we are gonna have to stay here. There you go. Oh!
I did that. That's the first time I did it. It says turn it over.
Okay,
Did I
let's
not
go.
do it that way 3 times?
Wait, do we have another
Womp
one?
womp. If you shake it, it'll get the end.
I'm getting.
What is it? I really want to throw this on. Can I throw this? Do you think is this vandalism? If I throw
I
it?
don't do that.
Hold on, you might want to film this. Hi, I'm Helen. And you're watching Disney.
You have to do. I think it's respect.
Wait, it's like a helter-skelter.
It's a what?
A helter-skelter. You know, like it's a big tower and then you go down in a beanbag and it's like this and you go.
Oh yeah. I've never called it a helter
What did you call it
skelter.
before then?
Just a slide.
Well, it's not a slide though. It's like a special slide.
So it is.
No, it's a helter-skelter. Helter-skelter.
This is the closest Hallie will ever be to getting on a roller coaster.
I've literally done the rock bottom. I don't know what you're talking about.
One time.
Because we forced
like
you to.
6 times. The all-nighter thing.
I didn't see you ever ride it.
That's because I was with
I think
Claire.
she's lying.
I was with Claire and Shelby. You can ask Shelby because I think Shelby sat out and I went on it. So you could ask
I
her.
didn't.
Liar, liar, sticks
Okay,
on
well,
fire.
next time I go, I want you to go with me. And go
Drop my chair.
Is that your chair or water bottle?
Well, you push. The chair doesn't fold, so it's a square. So the cylinder. Yours is coming unfolded.
Mine is?
Yeah.
This does not feel that high.
Yeah, people keep driving up here. Look, there's another one.
These people have the contract.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Because these people, I think. No, because these people, I think, have the contract thing so they can park up here.
That fancy French. It's like a fish. Like da-da-da-da.
Barracuda.
For goodness sake.
Oh, it like blinks.
Firefly. Yeah. Is it really?
King snake.
Cobra.
Oh, we're looking.
Another snake. You.
Rainforest?
It's in the ocean.
And it's like.
Jellyfish.
Like that's what it sounds.
Seahorse.
Yeah.
What the freak?
Why did you?
I didn't get that.
If I was a Blink, would you still love me?
A worm. That's.
How does this make you feel as a Brit? Who won? We won.
It's your benefit.
That is true because this wouldn't be America.
Yeah, this wouldn't be America if
We wouldn't have fireworks if Abby didn't win.
Sure, if Abby
This is my gift to
Abby herself didn't win.
yeah, me, myself, and I.
Abby won.
Abby built this country. What is this?
Listen, England and.
Oh my gosh. Why?
Then everyone's watching it. I'm like, yeah. We're here to destroy it. Yeah, like you wait till one pops and you just come out and turn your invisibility off, and so everyone can see you. And then you're like the fireworks star.
A fireworks star. I like it. You wish you were American.